Howdy folks, today is 22nd of June 2026 and I am at the Queen Elizabeth Hospital 1, Kota Kinabalu for a quick visit to the eye clinic at the third floor of this building. Okay, I'm sure some of you are regular visitors to this building, but I have been looking at this for a long time, but now I decided to make this video to explain to you what it means, what a detention, an example of a detention pond looks like. Okay, let me zoom at this sign. What does it say? Oh, the sign has a missing letter of, I think that is warning. On-site detention area, stormwater level may rise in this area during heavy rain. Well, you're not supposed to go there anyway. It's a dirty, it's just a pond with the grass on the bottom. It's been raining for the last few days, but all the water's gone already. It's just a pond to detain the water temporarily when there's a heavy storm, and those water will have come from the roofs. It's so big roof on this building, so many buildings in QE1, and all of those water from the roof is expected to go and be stored in this pond temporarily. And I think they got a control valve there, even a pump maybe, that will slowly release the water to the roadside drain back to the sea. I think that's the channel there. Right? So the idea of this is to comply with the MESRA requirement. MESRA means manual SALIRAN, MESRA alam, or environmental friendly design, and QE1 has complied with that requirement by providing for this pond, and it is fenced, so people are not supposed to go in there and swim. Could be considered dirty, but they still put the warning there saying the water may rise. I mean, who cares whether the water rise or not? You're not supposed to go there. It's fenced for safety purposes. It's not an open pond, unlike other places where I've seen. It's like an open fish pond, but this one is not. It's fenced because it's a Queen Elizabeth Hospital in the middle of the town, in the middle of the city, by the way. And of course, as you've heard, Queen Elizabeth is always lacking of parking for the patients, and look at that, double parking, triple parking. Sometimes the tow truck from the council comes and pull those who are really blocking. Look at that, both sides of the road they are parking. I think the bus and ambulance can hardly squeeze through. Here's a roundabout, here's the public parking plus the staff parking. Okay. Early in the morning, I used to be able to get a space there, but not now. And those are the sheltered parking. That one is the open parking there. If the rain is heavy, it gets flooded. Be warned, guys. This area gets flooded if the rain is heavy. They provided the new one there is that earth place parking, and that's where I park. I don't know whether I can see my car. Somewhere I park there, and I have to walk that far away to go home from this. I cannot see my car. Somewhere there I park. Alright guys, but never mind. This is the daily life of hospital and sick people in Kota Kinabalu. But this is it. This is an example of a detention pond for supposed to be designs of city building, and every time I come here the pond is always empty. I'm wondering whether this is still functioning or not. And it's raining, it's drizzling now. And all the water from the roofs of all the buildings around me is supposed to be collected and temporarily detained in this small capacity pond. Very green in the middle. Okay. And that must be the control valve there, with a power supply. That's all, folks. Here you are. Detention pond.